Hello Amazon shoppers, this is Amy here with 911 Studios, and today we are going over the best products on all of Amazon for new parents. And this list would not be complete if we did not talk about the Graco Pack and Play. You guys, this is such a versatile product and you are totally gonna want one. It is so good for infants and it grows up with your baby all the way from newborn to toddler. It can be a play yard for your toddler. Infant, this has the infant seat on it. It bounces and will just rock your baby to sleep, and you can easily detach it and bring it with you wherever. It's also a changing station, and it has tons of compartments on the side where you can store your baby's things. Probably the coolest feature of the Pack and Play is that it is super portable. So it's going to be something that you can fold up two different ways, and one way is just kind of collapsing it for if you're at home and you just need to put it up real quick, like put it behind a sofa or in the corner or wherever. It takes up very, very little space, and it's something that you can bring in and out in seconds, like so easy. Second way that you can fold it is it actually folds down and it almost looks like luggage or a suitcase or something, and that way you can take it with you. So this is a great option for if you're going to grandparents' house or if you're going on a trip, even taking it to the park or to play outside. It's so easy and it's gonna go with you again from newborn to toddler and give you so many options to keep your baby nearby in a way that you know that they're really safe. Plus that changing station. It's just an incredible product, so versatile, so many different uses, so many different ways for it to be portable and to fit into your lifestyle. It's definitely going to be one of those things that you use and that you use for several years, so it's totally worth every penny. You guys, put this on your registry. You are going to be so glad you did. Put it in the cart. Again, you're going to be really happy with it.